Steve, we've had a joiner contact us and he's looking to set up a woodshop business.
Okay.
What would be your recommendation as a first-time investment for an air nailer?
Right, okay then. Obviously, this guy's got compressed air, good start, compressor in the workshop, and if you're going to buy one and only two, I'd go for an 18 gauge brad nailer, because it's a nice fine pin, small head, goes up to 50mm, so it's ideal for glazing, bead, etc. Fine woodworking, and from there then you could go lower to a headless pinner or higher up to a 16 gauge finish nailer. But start off with an 18 gauge and you won't go far wrong. Hi, hopefully you've enjoyed watching the videos, you've found it informative. And of course, if you want to see more of these,
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
and also on the page you can follow the link and go to our homepage at mytoolkit.co.uk, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.